Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this. This is an electric, or not electric, it's a butane pen torch and soldering kit. And I'm gonna show you it here. So it comes with your little butane torch, and I put some butane in there, just a little bit. I had a butane tank. We have it looks like a cover for it, I guess. So if you wanted to take it with you somewhere, you can do that. Comes with a little sponge piece here. I guess you can just fill that up with some water or whatever like that to cool it off as you're done. Actually, I'll put a little bit in there. There we go. Okay, so now I have a sponge with some water in it. We have some solder. We have a couple of different tips here. Let's see if I can pull these out. And we have a little wrench to, I guess, adjust it. But we get these little tips. This one here goes sideways. And then we have a bunch of little points and stuff. So like this one here is a little, traditional soldering point, and we have different little shapes in here too. So let me put one of these in here. So basically a traditional looking soldering iron now. So it looks like a soldering iron. So like this, and then let me get some solder. And we will make a little glue over here. So let me just aim it down a little bit, and we will do this thing. So the way it works, so it comes with its own little stand too, so you can stand it up. And then, I guess the way it's gonna work, it's got this here is, I guess, the adjustment of the volume of the heat. But then here's the solder, so let me see, is it on? I guess it's on, there's a little red light. Oh yeah, oh, there's the fire going. Okay, so now it's butaning and heating. So let's see if we put something to it. Not yet, it's gonna take a second for it to heat up. Oh yeah, that's the volume control. So let's see. It's kind of a nice little device. It's pretty light. I didn't put a ton of butane in there. Hopefully it's gonna last. I definitely feel heat coming out the sides, so it's heating up. Just takes a minute, I guess. Oh, there we go. So now you can see I am making a glue, and there it is. So it's working. So that's how it works. So it creates that. Oh, my smoke alarm's gonna go off. And then you just turn it off to turn it off. So how cool is that? So really nice little kit here, and it's got the little hole, everything you need. So it comes with solder and everything, so good to go. So I like this. I'm gonna keep this here, so whenever I need to fix up some wires, which I actually do for my ring light, as you can see me now, the light is not as good as it should be because my ring light is broken. So I need to solder it back. That's what this is for. So thumbs up on this for sure.